Here is the refrigerant compressor air conditioner, which is made by Arctic King. This is the second part of the Arctic King WWK05CM71N air conditioner, which I think Jordan called it Arctic Queen. I'm not so sure though. Anyways, let's capture the compressor. So the compressor sounds pretty harsh. Let's go to the second part of the compressor. This one is a GMCC ASK44E1VAJ compressor, with the model number being W6120749447F. Let's view the top of the air compressor, shall we? That was it for part 2 of the Arctic King WWK05CM71N air conditioner. Initial checkout. Anyways, that was it for this video. May God bless every one of you.